Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup, and as you can see we will be immediately transferred to this section where we can add the Google account. Be aware that if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will not have to go through the whole operation of adding it again. You will be simply able to pick it from the list. And if you want to learn how to add the Google account to the device, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So all we have to do right now is to tap on add account, because of course you can do it right here. You don't have to you don't have to do it in another section. And here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on, and here we've been transferred to another backup section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. At the bottom, you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and you can manage the advanced settings. And to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So basically, to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is right now backing up your data, so you have to be patient and let it finish. Of course, you don't have to wait right here, you can just go back and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.